chilly and uncomfortable. Whew. Against my better judgment, I'm still going to go out today for a little bit. I don't guess warm weather is a prerequisite for fishing, but man, it sure is nice. It's been pretty warm around here a lot lately, but we keep getting front after front after front, and they're only a couple days apart. That's the hardest, well, part of the whole thing is fish staging differently and behavior. Just, man, one day they're here, next day they're not. One day they're down there, next day they're not. Catch them today, don't catch anything tomorrow. Just difficult with the fronts, but doesn't mean we're gonna stop. I'm going to a creek where I've caught just a little bit of everything out of it, and I'm just gonna fish for whatever's biting today. That's what we're gonna do today. Whatever's biting. Actually, deep down, I hope I catch a few catfish. That's kind of what I'd like to. I pulled about an 8-pounder out of here the last time I was there. It was a little bit warmer weather though. So I'm gonna bundle up here in a bit, get down to the water, and I'll see what I can't find. Uh-oh, fish on. Oh, don't lose you. It's probably a turtle, but I don't want to lose him. Whatever it is. Swimming around like a turtle. Nope, it is a catfish. And hopefully I can get this little dude in. Yes, sir. That's a nice little cat. Got my net today. This is exactly what I wanted. Was a few cats. Got it. Yes, sir. Wasn't sure they'd be up in here, but they are. Looks like they are. Let's see. I don't know where that hook's at, and I don't want him to get me with it. Perfect hook set on this guy, right on the corner. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. Whatever. I'll take it. And I hope that bobber don't go down before I can get this guy in the water on my stringer. This guy took a whole shad about 4 inches long. Let's see if we can't catch some more. Alright, looks like cat number 2. Let's get him in here. Get that net. I'm not using a circle hook, so I'm not too confident in my hook sets. And I was rigging another rod and wasn't paying a lot of attention to this guy. Oh yeah. Come here, little dude. Come here, you nice little dude. No. Come on. Get up from that branch. Get over here. Come on. Great. Tangled up in the branch. That's not what I want. Oh, where's the freaking branch? Come here. I'm not sure how he wrapped himself around that branch, but he did. Now I gotta get him and the branch out of the water. Oh, he came off. Crap! Stinking branch. That's what I figured was gonna happen. I'm using 6-pound test, so that hook broke off. I was trying. I can tell you one thing, that ain't gonna happen twice. Get that branch out of that water. There we go. That ought to fix that. Dadgummit, hate losing fish. Well, they had a good fighting chance and he won that one. Oh crap. Got him, and I got a bite on that other line. Man, at the same time. Circle hooks on this one though. Oh, he's pulling drag. Get over here, son. I do have a light line though. These aren't too big, but I do have light line. Where's that net? Let him run when he wants to. Let him run when he wants to. Come here. I ain't losing no more. Come back. Flip this dude in here. Oh, come on. There we go. I got a stick tied up in my line. Perfect hook set on that little guy. Man, don't bite me. Tell you what. Took skin off my knuckles. Ting. These guys got teeth now. Ouch! Alright, you want to fight? Get in the bucket till you calm down. Dang! That fish got crazy. I lost skin. And look, he made me bleed. Ha ha! That's what you get. I caught you anyway. And get the shad back out there. Now that looks like a turtle's been after that one. I don't want to get all caught up, but let this one settle out. Let's get this one on the stringer wherever he went, and we'll get him on the stringer. It's a pretty nice little old fish. These are good eating size. They're not big and fatty, you know. Got him. Got him. Oh, he came off. Dadgummit. He must have been a little guy. He wasn't putting up a whole lot of fight. That's alright. That's alright. That's a pretty good sized circle hook, so them little guys will come off. And nothing I can do about that. Put two of these, or it could have been a turtle. And those guys are hard to hook through the mouth. Hook a turtle, you're not going to get a good hook set a lot of times. And there are a bunch of turtles in here. I don't know. Pretty excited about this spot today. It's a pretty good spot. Kind of hard to keep up with. All right. Swim out of there. Oh, come on. Swim out of there. And he swam right up under something. He's still on there. He's just tangled. Ah, off. Dadgummit. It's 3 losses. I've got to stop losing fish. Didn't get him that time. He got one of those shad off though. He was trying. He was trying. It's all right. You down there, and I know it. Tell you what, when I leave here, I'm stopping by Walmart or Field and Stream, and I'm picking up some more circle hooks in the smaller size. And I'm going to come back here in the next day or two, and I am going to fill an ice chest. A turtle. Turtle. We don't want that. I don't want nothing to do with no turtle. Get rid of that guy. Circle hooked him in the foot. That does not feel like a catfish. Oh, but that might be. It is. It's something. Yep. I got one on both rods. All right, let's just hold this one up. That's a turtle. That figures. Turtle. All right. That's a different kind of turtle right there. Here. All right. Let's see. You come on this side. And then you. That's a pretty turtle. Oh, got one. Got one on this rod. Yeah. Man, that was quick. That's a lot more like a catfish bite right there. And that yanking and trying to bite it off with his pull and drag. Please don't lose this one. Please. I've already lost 3 today. I don't want to lose another. And this is a nice one. Come on. Get over here. Come on. Give you a little more drag. Come on. Pull and drag. Where's she in? I don't want to lose you either. I got him hooked pretty good. He sees me. He don't want to come to me. I got him hooked too good though. Once I break that line, he's coming in. Oh my goodness, he's too big for my net. Couldn't get him in that net. Man, I am not organized for catfish today. And then here I come, catch a whole bunch of them. Well, enough of them anyway. That's a nice fish right there. Tell you what, that I can't even get my hand around him. I got big hands. That right there, son, is a nice fish and a good hook set. Right in the corner, just like it's supposed to. Man, I got no needle nose with me today. All right. Man, that was a big fish. That's a big fish on 6-pound line, I can tell you. Big fish on 6-pound line. Come on. There you go. I got you. And hopefully, I don't have a turtle run off with my other one. That was good. Good bite right there. Yeah. There we go. Ow! Man, these suckers can bite now. I ain't even kidding. Shoo. As soon as I let go of him, he's gonna bite me. Golly. My poor old fingers tore up. And catfishes took off the back of both my knuckles. Didn't know catfish had teeth, did you? They do. They'll bite you. It's not like teeth either. It's like sandpaper. I don't know. But that was a good bite. Went in that turtle crap. Nick, nick, nick. Wow, that sure didn't go how I expected. Phew. Man, I'm a little cold right now. Sorry if I'm talking a little strange. I know I'm talking a little slow. It got chilly out there. My hands barely can feel them. Tell you what, I've fished this area a few times and I've had luck every time. Not a great, not a lot of luck. Not a great area to fish, but a good little area. It's a creek, leads into a bigger cove that leads into the lake. And yeah, I walked up, it was muddy. Man, it was muddy. It was muddy about 100 yards off the bank. I was sinking up, I'd say a good 6 inches up my boots. And kind of was worried I could even get to the shoreline. I got down there and I saw a bunch of laydowns. There's some new fallen trees. Man, my nose is running. There's some new trees had fallen that weren't down before. So I thought it was going to be a real good opportunity to catch some possibly staging crappie. And the whites might even be up in there. I cast around for a while, pitched around, threw some minnows in there, and I hung up a few times, and it's just a bunch of mess in the water. And just so happened I had about a half a bag of frozen shad that I had kept from the last time I went out catfishing. I threw in the truck with me. And I brought one extra rod, rigged up Carolina rig. Didn't even have a circle hook on it. It was just a straight, I don't even know what size hook it was. It was a little too big for what I was doing. But, oh well. Thought I'd try. Man, I tossed that sucker out there. It wasn't in the water. 60 seconds. I got a hit. I didn't have too long. It was already late. It was late afternoon before I even got out here. And then I just messed around looking for crappie and sand bass for a while first. So, at least I know I can come back here and those channels are going to be laying in there. And that's good. And they're not small either. But I'm using whole shad. I'm not fishing with chicken liver or something that would catch those little babies. But Oh yeah, some of those I caught are pretty nice. That one I caught's real nice. So, good, found me a spot. That's what scouting's about. For every 10 places you go and you don't find anything, you walk up on one and it's just a gold mine. It's worth it though. Thank you guys for watching.